How to change the default language for spoken content on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Spoken Content. Then in here, we go down and tap on Default Language. From the list here, you can select a language that you would like to use for spoken content. And that's it. Now we can test it out.
Spoken content. Speak selection on. A speak button will appear when you select text.
And that's it. If you want to change the voices for spoken content, you can do so by going into voices. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.